How to manually stop a Python script that runs continuously on Linux. I have a Python script that is running and continuously dumping errors into a log file. I want to edit the script and run it again, but don't know how to stop the script. I'm currently logged on Linux through PuTTY and am doing all the coding there. So, is there a command to stop the Python script in Linux?
You will have to find the process ID, PID. One command to do this would be to limit results to Python processes. You can grep the result, which will give results like. The second column is the PID. Then use the kill command as such.
Try the simple line, it will terminate all, script.py.
Find the process id, PID, of the script and issue a, kill -9 PID, to kill the process unless it's running as your foreground process at the terminal, in which case you can Ctrl+C to kill it. Find the PID with this command. It lists all the Python processes, pick out the right one and note its PID. Then, we'll kill the process. You may get a message about having terminated a process at this stage. Alternatively, you can use the top command to find the Python process. Simply enter K for kill, and the top program will prompt you for the PID of the process to kill. Sometimes it's difficult to see all processes you are interested in with top since they may scroll off the screen. I think the PS approach is easier/better.
If the program is the current process in your shell, typing Ctrl+C will stop the Python program.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.